How to install apps from Safari. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Safari and how you're going to be installing apps in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go over to the Safari store over here, okay? And what you do from here is you search for any app that you want to download, okay? So let's say I want to download, let's go with Instagram. Okay, so you go ahead and write Instagram and then you write IPA. Now, you're probably wondering what this means. Now, IPA is basically a mod or a type of, plus version of Instagram that you can download from Safari itself. And what happens in that case is you don't need to use the iPhone App Store for that. So just click on Download IPA. And what happens over here is this website will allow you to start downloading the IPA. Just go ahead and accept any agree on terms. And once that is done, just click on download over here. And once this happens, as you can see, it says your download has started and we're good to go. So any application that you want to download from Safari, just write IPA in front of it and you should find the IPA version of it, and you don't need to download apps from the App Store anymore. So that is how we're going to be installing apps from Safari in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.